In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in My Practice. Let's start right from your dashboard. Head to My Practice, then open Billing and Payments. In the bottom right corner, look for the Fast Action button. Click that and choose Create Invoice. This is the quickest path if you're building an invoice from scratch. If you're invoicing for a session you already booked, you can also create an invoice directly from that booking. That route is convenient because it keeps the service details aligned with the appointment you scheduled. Once you're in the invoice editor, begin by setting the invoice number and the date. The invoice number is your internal reference, so keep it unique and consistent with your existing numbering system. The date should reflect when you want the invoice to be considered issued. Many teams use the current date for clarity. Next, add your line items. You can add custom services or products, or you can pull in existing services, sessions, packages, or programs you've set up in your account. Clear item names and concise descriptions help your client understand exactly what they're paying for. Make sure the pricing is correct and reflects your standard rates or the price agreed upon for that booking. If you have multiple items, list them separately to keep the invoice transparent and easy to review. If your business charges tax, apply the appropriate tax to the relevant items. Double-check that the rate matches your local requirements. You can also apply discounts where needed. Keep them clearly labeled so clients see why and how the total was reduced. Whether it's a percentage or a fixed amount, clarity here helps prevent back and forth later. When everything looks good, it's time to send or process the invoice. If you want to review it later or get a second set of eyes, save it as a draft. Otherwise, choose to send it to the client. They'll receive an email with a Pay Now button if Accept Payments is enabled in your account, making it easy for them to complete payment online. After a successful payment, both you and your client will automatically receive a receipt. This confirmation is useful for your records and gives your client instant proof of payment. If you ever need to reference the invoice or receipt later, you'll find them in your Billing and Payments section. That's it. Create, review, send, and let the system handle the rest. Keep your invoice numbers consistent, your descriptions clear, and your taxes and discounts accurate, and you'll have a smooth, professional billing experience every time.